transformer at the road supplies power to my house meter. Comes in this extension cord right here, so powering that light. This other extension cord is making that light burn, and it goes into my shop. So what's happening is the schematic shows that L1 and L2 has 240 volts across it, which comes into your breaker box. If you go from the center tap to either side, you get 120. But by breakers being alternated in houses, there's a possibility that even adjacent rooms may be on two separate breakers. In that case, from the hot side of one extension cord to the hot side of the other extension cord, you can get 240 volts, as demonstrated here with this hitting the hot side and this hitting the hot side, and there you go. Very dangerous. One other thing I wanted to demonstrate: not only is it dangerous to have extension cords run from adjacent rooms that may be off of different breakers, which in this case is 246 volts between the two hots, you also run in a danger of going to ground. That's 122 volts across ground to one side of 110.